I've got this Canon MX922 and I bought it because it prints on CDs and it would normally print them somewhere in here, right? But it started printing like crap, so I needed to change the print head. I got mine on eBay, but you could go directly to inkjetprinthead.com. Thank you, inkjetprinthead.com. I mean, I paid for this. This is not a sponsored video. I mean, it worked. Thank you. Okay, so unfortunately, I was in such a hurry to use it that I tore it out of the bag and I didn't film it, but essentially this is how it came, and it's got like the Canon hologram, so I think it's legit. We'll see how it prints. It turned out not to be as difficult as I was expecting. Let's give it a minute. Okay, so if you notice, it slid all the way to the back. If we press the stop button and you hold it, watch what happens. Still holding it. And now notice, it didn't go all the way. So now we can pull out our ink cartridges. And right back there is the print head. So pull that, and yes, you gotta pull it kind of hard, and then with your two fingers, hang on, let me put the flash on. Okay, so there's that thing. Whatever this is, you just pull it out. It's kind of hard. So pull like so. Notice how it comes out. Okay, so we'll take this piece of crap out. I gotta put this somewhere. Okay, so here's the old print head. Now, I can't really get it to show up on camera, but right in there, I think it's the second one. Yeah, you can't really see it. It's broke. It prints like crap. Now let's test this one out. Now we're ready to put the new one in there. And you pretty much just do it the same way that you took it out. Pop it back in. Put the ink back in there. And, well, yeah, I think that's about it. Alright, let's test it out. See a full color image, how it's gonna pop up. And this thing will warm it up for a minute. I probably should have like done a cleanup or a test or something. Nice. Yeah, it came out just fine. That actually looks great. There you have it, folks. It was legit. Here's the print heads from inkjetprinthead.com are good. They work. Well, at least this one did. And again, this was not a sponsored video. I paid my money to get it because I wanted it, and it worked.